As we moved to Vienna, a new world opened around us. Cities we've never visited before are now only a few trains away. And as I recently changed jobs and now don't have to work in the weekends anymore, we finally had time to visit our next city. As the long Easter weekend started, we left Vienna, took the train for 6 hours and went on our first city trip of the year. Dat je dat zo moet open doen, toch?
Dat heb ik nog niet gezien. Ja? Al die tentjes er beneden. Ik had tegen Katrien zeggen dat ze Budapest en deze op moet doen. Dat ze niet zo moeten wenen.
Must say, we heard so many good things about Ljubljana, but this is really such a cool city. It's so livable and I don't know, it's just like a village vibe in a capital city and the sun is shining, we have birds as our background music. I love it. comfortable. Yes.
Ja.
Good evening, just took a shower and now I'm getting ready to go to the restaurant. We booked something cute, something random we spotted this morning. This city, I love it. I could live here if I would be able to speak the language. You have like the cute markets, the water, it's so green, it's so walkable. People are friendly here. If you ever have the option to go for like an Erasmus here or come for a city trip, I would highly recommend it. This is our hotel room, to say so. It's the Ibis and it's so close to the train station and close to the city center, and we only paid 35 euros a person a night, so that's very budget, very nice. This is what it looks like up here, and this is the space I have up here. So it's very tight, a bit claustrophobic. It was so hot this morning, but can't complain. It's very, very nice. Good morning. We're going for a hike today. Have to get the bus in half an hour. Enjoying the morning view on the terrace. Waking up was so terrible. It gets so hot in those cute little cabins. So it looks like I was hit by a bus. But who cares? Na het berenbos hebben wij dit wel verdiend.
Bijna heel zo. Het is wel velen dat zo laag.
Ja.
Conversatie.
Wat?
Ja, die eet dan een gigantisch stuk toert.
Ja.
En